Yeah, sorry.
And
Irina is our Android expert.
Hi.
hi,
I'm Irina. Nice to meet you.
Stefano,
Hi.
nice to meet you.
we're here for Tutto Android, which is a blog, an Italian blog. Actually, my nephew has founded it. So anyway, and he's living too far from Milan, so
Okay.
I'm here for him. I have so a few questions for you.
Did you see
Nice
Firefox
phone.
on Android?
Nice
Did you
phone.
try it? Did you try Firefox on Android?
I didn't, but my nephew tried. Actually, he told me, he gave me some question like when when the when the final version will be available for Android, because they said me that there are some beta.
So we just shipped beta 5, right?
Yes.
And we're still working on the final version, which should come when it's ready, when all the bugs are fixed. So
More or
I don't.
less.
That should be pretty soon. In a few weeks this month.
Okay,
It should be out.
few weeks.
Yeah,
Cool.
yeah,
And-
hopefully.
In the market, in the Android market.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the next question is, have you got a special version for the tablets or?
So the thing is,
Because you know the tablets are using the new Honeycomb
working
Android.
on Honeycomb
Yes, it is. Yeah. Yes. So.
for the okay, go ahead.
So Firefox is essentially the same, whether it's a mobile phone or a tablet. The differences between them, it's the same operating system, it's the same type of hardware, it's just the screen is bigger. So basically most of the optimizations you need to make are in terms of interface. So we do have a few optimizations just to fit Firefox better for the tabs, but essentially it's the same Firefox, which works just as well on smartphones and tabs as well.
Okay, and then the next question is, will be the new version available on all cell phones, or the requirements are excluding the less powerful ones? I mean, there are some Android cell phones that are a little bit less powerful compared to Nexus One, for example, or the new ones that are coming out.
Yeah,
So-
good phone.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have for Firefox we have some minimum system requirements, but those are basically ones which are found in most of the new devices, as well as a lot of the existing ones. So you need Android 2.0 or bigger, and 512 megabytes of RAM, which really a large part of the phones in market right now have, and also the new ones which are coming, the
Yeah.
dual core ones, for example. Firefox, will run as smoothly on those as well.
Cool. And what do you expect from Android in terms of usage? I mean, I imagine you cannot disclose share of market, but what do you expect from Android?
So we do have really high hopes on Android. We know, since it began, since it was launched by Google, it has experienced a lot of success. We have so many device vendors using it, all over the world. They have conquered, like in the US, Europe, and the Asia Pacific region as well, and now it's entering the emerging markets. So really, I think Android right now, due to the diversity of devices and flavors, it's being seen as a major player in the market.
I think it's asking about the market share of Firefox,
Oh, so I'm sorry about market share of Firefox.
and I think we don't know.
What do you expect? I mean,
So the thing is, we just want to bring some competitions into the phone. So right now, if you look at all the browser you see here on a tablet or on my phone, it's actually it's the same browser. Beside the UI, the Dolphin browser, for
The
example.
interface.
The interface is different, but the core is the same. So here we bring what's in this laptop, Firefox running here, it's exactly the same here, besides two things. First, the UI is different, obviously,
Sure.
right? Makes sense. And the other thing is, the Firefox you have in your tablet or on your phone is multi-process. Okay?
Okay.
So something we're gonna have in Firefox 7 at the end of the year hopefully, right? But the thing, this is the only difference. And the funny thing as well that these two Firefox, like I said, are exactly the same.
And you can use plugin. Like
so you can use add-ons, you can use plugins, and one awesome stuff as well that those two Firefox are connected. We have this syncs feature. You heard about it? So sync is a
like
way to share your book. I mean, not to share, to synchronize your bookmarks,
like
your
the Fox mark,
password.
the old Fox marks.
Yeah, but
tool.
it works for this. So basically, you can just, you're on at the office. You're doing your stuff. You have to go home. Just don't touch your Firefox. Just leave. You close your laptop. You go to the metro. Take your phone, and you open Firefox. And what you see is the tabs from what you have on your desk, or also on your desk, right? So sync, and I think it's really quite cool.
Yeah, it also has your password synchronized, so on the small screen you don't have to kind of try and type that in. You can, everything is encrypted, so you can.
We are great fan of both functionalities actually.
I can live without it.
Yeah.
So thanks a lot for the interview for the Tutto Android community. Per Tutto Android da Milano, presentazione Firefox 4, Leonardo.
Thank you.
Thank you.